Good morning, 8th standard students. Today I am going to explain the moral science chapter number 9, unit 9, goodness of heart. Students, first of all, before starting the topic, there are some questions which I have put in one slide. There is a goodness of every heart. That is yes. Nobody is basically bad or cruel. That is also yes. So all the questions you have to mark down. Second one, the main story of this goodness of heart is about it is a retrieved reformations, is a beautiful story written by Sir O. Henry. So Jimmy Valentine is the main hero of the story. He was a bank robber. Once he was arrested by the police and was given for the 4-year imprisonment, and he was when at the completed his imprisonment completed, he was released. Then warden suggested, then sir, tomorrow you are going morning, you are going to come out of the jail, so change yourself and live as a true man. You are not a bad fellow at heart, you are in good fellow at heart. Stop robbing sir the bank, robbing the bank, and live a good life. The warden had suggested that person, suggested the Jimmy Valentine, but Valentine didn't listen to the warden's advice. Then immediately after the release, he robbed 3 banks. Then one after the another. There was some similarity in these robberies. The police was sure that it was a Valentine who had done the crime. Detective Ben Price was given the task of capturing him again. Valentine had collected a lot of wealth through the robberies. He set up a shoe store at the Elmore. Because he had a lot of money, so he set up a shoe store at Elmore. He was known there as a Ralph Spencer. He was known for the Ralph Spencer. So his business progressed and he became a famous man in the city. Then Annabel Adams, the daughter of the owner, the Elmore Bank, was in love with the Ralph Spencer. Their marriage was fixed. He informed one of the close friends about these developments through a letter. Valentine asked to come to a particular place to collect all the tools and that he had been using for the robbery. He said that he had stopped all these crimes and no longer needed them. Then Detective Price somehow got the message. Immediately he went to the Elmore to arrest the Valentine. Then Valentine was in the Elmore Bank along with his girlfriend and her family. Then they were there to inspect the new safe the bank then just bought. Valentine had a suitcase full of tools with him. He had planned to hand over all the tools to his friend that afternoon. Suddenly he heard a loud cry. 2 children were playing around the safe. One of them shut in for the fun. Unfortunately, the combination of the lock was not set and nobody knew how to open it. Then Valentine only knows how to open it, but he also knows that if he opened, then he could arrest by the bank. He was Detective Ben Price. Then he was surprised to see the detective. Then he opened that one and take out the students from that safe. He selected a few tools. He was surprised to see only he knows about to open it. Then he was surprised to see that Detective Ben Price standing at the door waiting for him. Then he to see the hello, how Ben, at last you are here. Then, well, let's go. then Detective Pen did not arrest him. Then he knows that the Valentine was in good in heart, so he said, go, you saved the one of the child's life. Then he saw Valentine's goodness in saving the child, so he realized Valentine's was already to sacrifice him his fortune, that is luck, for the little child. He touches the heart of the prize and he allowed Valentine to go free. So there is a one quotation is there, goodness is only investment that never fail. What is mean by this? An answer, if a man is good in his heart, why there is so much crime in this world? Then why there is so much evil in this society? An answer to this is, what is darkness? So in the darkness is the absence of, when there is no light, that means there is a darkness is there. So when there is a in case of evil and goodness, evil is the absence of goodness. When there is no goodness, that means there is a evil. So man can avoid evil, so we have to avoid evil if he develop goodness within him. So students, this story is about the goodness. So if you want to remove all your evil, then goodness will come to you. So Confucius also says that of all nature produced by the heaven and the earth, man is the noblest. That means the whole universe in the wonderful creation of God. Everything created by God in this world is good. Among all this, human being is the best creation. So prayer for the, in your syllabus there is a prayer for the religious ceremony. So I had put this PPT for you. You can watch over this PPT and do the harmony prayer for you. Thank you for the watching video. Thank you.